Hi friends, welcome to Software Forum. Today we'll be learning how to install Anaconda for Python. Before installing, let me give a brief introduction about Python. What is Python? Python is a kind of a machine learning in software where you will be doing the programming. And what is Anaconda is? Anaconda is kind of a GUI. It is a integrated development environment where you can write your programming language. So Python is a software and Anaconda is kind of a GUI. So both are intermediate, both are interconnected. One cannot run without other. Okay. So if you want to learn do the machine learning with Python, you have to use Anaconda. Okay. Now let me show you how to download Anaconda, from where to download and how to install that. So first you have to go to this link, anaconda.com, copy and paste it, and there you'll be seeing one option called download, and there is three versions are available for Windows, for Mac and for Linux. Whatever machine you are using in the OS, that you can download as per your convenient. As my machine is Windows machine, I'll be clicking on Windows, and there is option called Python 3.6 version and Python 2.7 version. So Python 3.6 version is the latest one, so I'll be going ahead with that. And as per your machine processor, you can install, if it is 32-bit, you can 32-bit graphical installation and 64-bit. As mine is 64-bit, I'll be clicking on 64-bit graphical installer. So it is kind of a big file, 515 MB. It will take some more time. As I have already installed, I'll just click on that file. I'll not download it once again because I have already downloaded few minutes back. Okay, I'll click on that. After clicking this exe file, I have routed to this page and I click on next. The installation process is just very simple. Just me, default path and install. It will take some time to install it because it's a huge file, but if at all your machine has a very basic configuration, that is no problem. So you can run Python and R, that kind of machine language, in your machine. Okay, so let it give some time, and I'll show you after the installation how to work on that, and if at all installation is perfect or not. Okay. Yeah. Now in the installation is almost completed. I'll press on next. After clicking on next, you have to click on finish. So you have successfully installed Python. Okay. Now they'll be asking for some review and all, that you can ignore as of now. That's fine. Now again, what you need to do is, like, after that you have to check whether it is successfully installed or not, right? So just in the search window, you have to click on that Anaconda, and you have to click on the Anaconda Navigator. So Anaconda Navigator, it will take some time for to open because it's a huge, heavy software. Yeah, it's opening. You can see. Adding features. So first time it is opening, so it will take some more time to open for the first time. Once you have opened it for the first time, it will not take time after that. So okay, I don't show me again. So here you can see some features they have given, and this is very user friendly tool they have provided. And first time when I'm doing, this is the ID, right, as I told, and I'll be choosing that spider. So spider as ID, I'll just launch it. And you can choose other also. In my next couple of videos, I'll be telling what is that all, like Jupyter and all, like lab, that I'll explain in my next couple of videos. You can go through that videos and all. Like, as of now, I'll be launching that spider, and I'll test whether that Anaconda has been installed properly or not. It's opening. Spider is also opening for the first time. It's kind of like for the first time it is opening, right? So it will take some more time. So once you have opened for the first time, it will not take it is not going to take more time. And choose allow access. Here you go. Now if you can see that spider is opened, okay, click on ok. Spider is opened, and if you're downloading for Mac, you will not be able to see all this, and in the Mac you will be able to see only this portion. I'll just let me show you. Yes, in Mac you will be seeing, let me also disconnect this. Yes, disconnect this. Yes, so you'll be seeing only this portion in Mac. But how to bring this other windows and all, let me show you. So once you're there, and then you have to click on that view, pans, and IPython console. Okay, so your console will be added in your pan. Again, pan, you can explorer, you can explorer, you can open, and then other window, whatever is required for you, you can just open it. File explorer and all, whatever is required, you can just bring it up. Okay, that's fine. Now here you go. Now you have to if at all you want to customize it, then you can customize this also. So now let me see whether that Python has been installed properly or not. Okay, so I am going to type hello world. I'll be just trying to print this world. Okay, just click on select and press on run. So you can see that that has been printed. Okay, so now if at all you want to customize it, you can do the customization in preference. Click on the preferences and then editor, and then you have to go to that code and all. You can do all these customization options are available. In my next couple of videos, I'll be going through all this customization, how to customize your Python console and for your user friendly purpose. So hope this video has helped you to install Python and give a brief idea about Python and Anaconda. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and share. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Happy learning. Bye bye.